Okay, so continuation of our discussion about logical reasoning. Number 4, based on the following statements, which is the correct conclusion drawn? So here are the three statements. Only gentlemen can become members of the club. Next, many of the members of the club are officers and some of the officers have been invited for dinner. So alin ang pwedeng true dito sa mga choices natin? A, all members of the club have been invited for dinner. B, some of the officers are not gentlemen. C, all gentlemen are members of the club. And letter D, only gentlemen have been invited for dinner. Okay, so try nyo i-post tapos sagutan bago panoodin ang aking solution. Okay, so let's start. So pwede tayong mag-draw ng Venn diagram para sagutan ito. I-drawing natin bawat statement. So sabi sa first statement, only gentlemen can become members of the club. So lagay tayo ng circle para sa members of the club. So ito yung mga members of the club. So ang sabi, only gentlemen can become members of the club. So ibig sabihin, basta members of the club, automatic yan ay gentlemen. Okay? Kasi yun yung requirement. Only gentlemen can become members of the club. So lahat ng members, automatic yan ay gentlemen. Okay? So next statement, many of the members of the club are officers. So many of the members of the club are officers. So dito sa mga members, so many daw are club officers. So pwedeng mag-drawing tayo ng isa pang circle. Many daw, no? So i-intersect natin dito. So many. Pero hindi naman sinabing lahat no? Many of the members of the club are officers. So pwedeng ito yung circle para sa officer. So palitan nga natin ng kulay. Ito yung circle para sa mga officer. So ayan. So ito yung mga officers. So yung circle para sa officers, itong red. And then we have some of the officers have been invited for dinner. So some of the officers have been invited for dinner. So lagyan ulit natin ng drawing para sa mga invited for dinner, some of the officers. So let's say nandito yung mga officers na in-invite sa dinner, pwedeng ito yon. Some of the officers, hindi lahat ng officers. So some of the officers are invited for dinner. So itong blue, ito yung mga invited, itong circle na blue. Okay? So ngayon, isa-isahin natin ang bawat statement kung alin diyan ang pwedeng maging correct conclusion. So alin ang true dito sa mga choices natin? Okay, so letter A, all members of the club have been invited for dinner. So pwedeng true ba yung all members of the club have been invited for dinner? Base sa drawing natin, ito lang yung mga invited for dinner. Ito, some officers. Tapos hindi lahat ng members. Merong mga members na hindi invited sa dinner, kagaya ng mga members na nandito. So 'di ba ito yung circle ng members ay yung black. Ito lang yung mga circle ng invited, ito lang. So ibig sabihin, false ito. Kasi merong mga members kagaya na to, ayan, itong mga blue na ito. So ito yung mga members na hindi invited, nasa labas. Nasa labas nitong blue na circle. So ibig sabihin hindi pwedeng maging true tong letter A. Okay, so next. Letter B, some of the officers are not gentlemen. So some of the officers are not gentlemen. So ito yung officer natin. Baka kasi baka may officer na hindi member. Okay, kaya nandito yung circle natin. So automatic, lahat ng members gentlemen. Ito yon yung nandito sa loob ng black na circle. So ang sabi, okay, so some of the officers are not gentlemen. Posible, no? Posible itong mga officers na nasa labas. Pero wala namang nabanggit dito sa problem na may mga officer. Walang nabanggit na may officer na hindi gentleman. So hindi natin alam 'yon, hindi tayo sigurado. Kaya hindi natin pwedeng sabihin true ang letter B kasi walang nabanggit na officer na hindi gentlemen. Wala tayong alam dito sa mga officer na hindi member na nasa labas nitong black circle. Hindi natin alam kung not gentlemen ba itong mga officer na nandito. So walang nabanggit sa problem. Hindi natin pwedeng i-assume na hindi gentlemen 'yon. Kasi itong nasa labas, pwedeng gentleman din sila, pwedeng hindi. So kapag hindi sigurado, edi X yan. Hindi natin pwedeng sabihin correct yan. Correct conclusion. Okay? So next, letter C, all gentlemen are members of the club. So all gentlemen are members of the club. So parang false din ito, all gentlemen are members of the club. Maraming mga gentlemen pero hindi sila member. Hindi natin pwedeng baligtarin ito. Ang sabi sa statement 1, only gentlemen are members. Ibig sabihin, basta member ka ng club, automatic gentleman ka. Pero hindi natin pwedeng baligtarin yan. Hindi lahat ng gentlemen, may mga gentlemen din dito. May mga gentlemen din na hindi member ng club. Okay? So hindi natin pwedeng baligtarin yan. So mali pa rin itong letter C. So ang pwede na lang maging correct dito, na-eliminate na yung C, itong letter D. Only gentlemen have been invited for dinner. So ito yung pwedeng maging true. Kasi only gentlemen, ito yung mga in-invite sa dinner, ito yung mga invited sa dinner, itong blue. So yung karamihan dyan, member. So actually, itong only gentlemen have been invited for dinner, pwede rin false ito kasi yung sa drawing natin, pwedeng nasa labas. Inassume kasi natin yung officer, pwedeng magkaroon ng officer na hindi member. Pero kapag itong officer ay automatic na member, so ang parang false din itong D, pero yung pinakamalapit sa katotohanan dito, itong letter D lang talaga. Only gentlemen have been invited for dinner. So kapag inassume natin na itong mga officer natin dito ay automatic na member. So ganito kasi yung magiging drawing niyan. Ito yung mga members, gentlemen lahat yung members. Tapos kapag yung officer ay member, so dito natin ilalagay yung mga officers. Tapos, ang sabi, some of the officers have been invited for dinner. So some of the officer, pwedeng nandito siya. Nandito yung mga invited. Okay? So kapag ganitong drawing na kapag lahat ng officer ay automatic yung mga members, many of the members of the club are officers. So ito na 'yon. Tapos in-invite sa dinner, automatic ito, yung in-invite sa dinner ay gentlemen. Kasi given only gentlemen can become members of the club. Lahat kasi nitong mga member, itong nasa malaking circle, lahat ng member yan ay gentlemen. Tapos ito yung mga in-invite sa dinner, member lahat siya, nasa loob ng member. So automatic, gentleman yon. So ito yung isang drawing, kapag naman yung members, kapag may officer na hindi members, so posible na yung invited nandito. So itong invited, pwedeng maging member siya, pwedeng maging gentleman, pero pwede ring hindi. So ang pinaka-safe dito, actually, no, pag tiningnan natin sa drawing, walang magiging true dito. Pero yung pinaka pwedeng maging true dito ay ito lang letter D. Only gentlemen have been invited for dinner. So medyo parang kulang kasi sa information itong problem na ito. Parang medyo nakukulangan ako sa condition. Pero ang pinaka malapit lang na maging true dito ay ito ang letter D. Only gentlemen have been invited for dinner. So dahil wala nga tayong alam dun sa natitirang officer kung gentleman ba siya or hindi. Okay, so that's all. So sana may natutunan kayo sa video na ito at kung meron kayong question about sa logic, i-comment nyo lang po dito or i-PM nyo ako sa aking messenger, RJ Enseñado. So bye-bye and God bless.